In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website in just 5 minutes using Godaddy. Creating a website might seem daunting, but with Godaddy's user-friendly platform, it's a breeze. Whether you're launching a business, showcasing your portfolio, or starting a blog, this quick guide will have you up and running in no time. First, head over to the Godaddy website. You can use your browser to navigate to Godaddy, where you'll find solutions for domain names, website hosting, and online marketing tools to really get your site noticed. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is sign in. If you don't already have an account, this is where you'll take a moment to register. It's a very straightforward process. Just fill in your details and create a secure password. If you do have an account, enter your credentials and you're in. Upon logging in, you'll land on the Godaddy homepage, which serves as the control hub for all your products. From here, navigate to the products section where you can manage your domains, websites, and other services you might be using. Next, look for the Websites Plus Marketing option. This choice is crucial because it combines website building with marketing tools that are perfect for promoting your site once it's live. Once you click on Websites Plus Marketing, you'll see an option to set up your site. This is where the magic begins. Godaddy provides an array of templates and layouts that cater to different types of businesses, personal websites, or blogs. Spend a little time browsing through the options to find the design that's just right for you. Customization is key here, so don't hesitate to infuse your site with the colors, fonts, and images that truly reflect your brand or personal style. When you've picked your template, the next step is to add your content, text, images, and any other elements that are important for your message or brand. Godaddy's design interface is intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. You can drag and drop elements where you want them, ensuring everything looks exactly as you envision. Lastly, before going live, you'll want to preview your website. This step is important to ensure everything looks perfect and all links are working properly. Once you're satisfied with the design and functionality, go ahead and publish your site. With just a few clicks, your site is live for the world to see. So there you have it, a functional website up and running in mere minutes. Godaddy's streamlined tools make it simple to maintain and update your site as needed. Remember, a website is never truly finished. It's a living platform for your ideas, business, or passion projects. Happy website building!